Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow your Robinhood account. First, define your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment or retirement. Next, ensure you have an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then, familiarize yourself with various investment options like stocks, ETF, and options on the platform. This foundational knowledge is crucial for making informed decisions and building a robust portfolio. A smart strategy is dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly to reduce risk from market volatility. Always research companies extensively. Look at their financials, industry position, and future prospects. Dividend stocks can provide a steady income stream. Reinvesting these dividends can significantly boost your returns over time. Aim for a balanced approach to maximize your growth potential. Diversification is key to managing risk. Spread your investments across different industries and asset types. Avoid overconcentration in any single volatile stock. A good rule of thumb is not to allocate more than 5% of your portfolio to one. Periodically review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your initial financial goals and risk tolerance. This disciplined approach helps protect your capital. For substantial growth, adopt a long-term mindset, allowing the power of compounding to work its magic over years. Continuously educate yourself on market trends and economic indicators to make adaptive decisions. Remember, patience is a virtue in investing. Also, for those who love to learn and read on the go, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will help you stay sharp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.